Top 6. Best Pool Vacuum Cleaners. However, when it's time to choose the right pool vacuum cleaners, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best pool vacuum cleaners on the market today, so if you're interested in what product name will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Automatic Pool Cleaner, Best Overall. Number 2. Dolphin Premier In-Ground Pool Cleaner Premium Choice. Number 3. Pulvernugan PV896584000013 Hayward.
This cleaner is the pool cleaner by Pool Meridian, and it's a small local company in Orange, California, and this cleaner is one of the best cleaners out there. It's highly effective in cleaning the pool. As you can see, it moves with those 2 wheels, and every 14 feet it will actually pivot and turn itself, so it never gets stuck in a corner, which is a great, here it is turning right now, which is something really good for a pool. That way that most pool cleaners will get stuck somewhere in the pool. And this pool is pretty, this is a pretty large pool. I mean, it's pretty gigantic actually. And this cleaner does a really good job in this whole pool for a pool this size, which is really a large pool. I've tried 3 different cleaners in here and none of them worked. I kept getting stuck in these corners, these rock formation corners, and so this is the one I chose for this pool. It's been here for over 2 years now, and it does a fabulous job of keeping this pool spotless. And this pool has a lot of jasmine plants around it that drop into the pool, and it does a great job picking up all sizes of debris. Okay, here's that pool cleaner by Pool Viridian up close. You can see it has these nice tires, and what happens is it just spins. It's almost, this thing moves in here with the water pressure, and this thing moves with the water pressure and sucks up debris, and it's got a good opening. So if you have oak trees or any large debris, this thing works very well with big debris because it has a good opening there. And it's just basically, it's compact and it's a really nice looking cleaner. And again, it's by Pool Viridian. It's a small company in Southern California, and I recommend this cleaner for anyone who has a pool that the traditional cleaner will get stuck in corners and whatnot. It's a great cleaner. It leaves the pool spotless. I mean, take my word for it. This has been in here for 2 years and I have not had a problem and not had to replace any parts, and it's very durable. So again, this is the pool cleaner by Pool Viridian. One thing you may need if your pool gets a lot of debris is a canister. This is the one made by Pentair, and I'll show you how it attaches to the hoses right now. Basically, you put it in the pool and attach the hose to it, and it just bypasses it traps all the debris inside there in a fine mesh bag. I highly recommend this particular canister because it gets all the fine debris. Just another canister you can also get is made by Hayward. If you don't have a lot of small debris, this one works good. Okay, and this is the back lock I was talking about for the side port to hook up the cleaner. It actually threads into the side port, and then this is actually a safety feature. Let me put the hose in so you can see what happens. Actually, this is what the back lock looks like when it's in your pool, and it's threaded into the pool, and the cleaner is hooked up here, and this actually holds the hose into place, so when it turns off it won't pop out. And also another great feature is if you're using the pool and someone were to knock the cleaner out, so if they knock the cleaner out, it actually snaps.
Number 4. Vivahome Pool Sweeper Vacuum Cleaner. Number 5. Stream Power US Premium Automatic Suction Vacuum.
To start, please open up the package and verify that the item is complete. Shown are all of the parts that you then you can move the springs up to make sure the full suction is coming through the cleaner. You need to figure out if you have a dedicated vac line or if you will attach in the skimmer at this point. First, we will go over how to attach it to the vac line on the side of the pool. You can feel if you have a port that is large enough to attach the hose without the hose cone adapter on it, or if you need to have the adapter attached, go ahead and put that on the end now. If not, then please proceed with filling the hoses with water. There is 2 ways to fill with water, either by sticking the cleaner into the water and pushing the hose a small amount at a time into the water until you see water filled up to the end of the hose. Or, if you want it to go a little faster, stick the hose over the return line where water comes back into your pool with the pump running, and then the lines will quickly fill with water. This prevents too much air from sucking into your pump. Once the lines are filled, you can insert the cleaner into the vac line and turn. At this time, you should be able to turn on your pump, and the cleaner should start to vibrate. If you notice anything moving slowly or not moving at all, then please check our troubleshooting video for more help with the adjustments that can be made to get your cleaner working in the most ideal way. Thank you for your purchase.
Number 6. Dolphin Nautilus CC Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.